So my extempore is going to be on critical minerals. Critical minerals are metals and non-metals which are present in a limited amount in some geographical area. And for the processing and extraction, the transportation of these minerals, there isn't adequate technology present or it is very costly. Due to which a limited number of countries export these minerals, and that's why their supply chain is quite vulnerable. So these types of material minerals are regarded as critical minerals, and for India some of these minerals are cobalt, nickel, titanium, tungsten, and some rare earth metal elements. India imports around 70% of its critical mineral from abroad, and in that 70% mineral that we are getting from abroad, 90% of that comes from the China, which give China a lot of leverage on India. If I talk about the importance of critical minerals, number one is for the energy transition. Globally, every country is trying to achieve net zero carbon emission, and for this, we need to stop using non-renewable energy and adopt renewable energy. And to adopt renewable energy, we need solar panels, we need semiconductors, we need wind turbines, and critical minerals play a vital role in all these renewable resources. Number two is the technology. In the modern technology, we use critical minerals in mobile phones, in EV batteries, in semiconductors, laptops, in electronic devices, due to which it is very important for technological advancement. Number three is for the defense. For our defense and security, we need high-tech weapons. We need good attacking weapons and surveillance weapons, and critical minerals play a vital role in there too. And number four is the diplomatic leverage. As I gave the example of China that exports 90% of India's India's critical minerals. So it gives China a lot of leverage on India, and that is one of the reasons why India is not very aggressive towards China on border issues. And if I talk about the challenges that we face in the field of critical mineral is number one, in India, there is no much of exploration done on critical minerals. In India, the Geological Survey of India doesn't know much about the geography of a country. We don't know which minerals are present and which are not. Number two, environment concerns. In Ladakh, lithium was found in a huge quantity, and the central government wants to extract those minerals for the better use of whole country, but that would cause environmental impact on Ladakh, and that was also one of the reasons why there were protests going on. And number three is health hazard. The workers working in the extraction, processing, and transportation of critical minerals will get exposure to radioactive materials and other gases and fumes that would be harmful to their health if they are exposed to those things for a long time. So, in conclusion, I would say that critical minerals, by the name suggests, are very critical to us for clean energy, for technological advancement. But we should also care about the environmental impact it can have, and we should care about the diplomatic leverage that other countries have due to the supply chain, due to vulnerability of the supply chain of the critical minerals. Thank you.